morning. We are in Warwick today for a Makita OPE event. We are here to look at some brand new Makita lawn and garden tools. I have been told there's some very exciting new products. If you are someone, that works as the likes of a landscaper or anything like that, then there might be some tools that pique your interest. Alongside from that, it's worth stating that with Makita garden tools, they're releasing more and more cordless tools, both for 40 volt XGT and 18 volt LXT. So that means that if you've already got those batteries on the likes of your combi drill, your circular saw, even your bread and butter tools, you can then use those in some garden tools. So perfect for getting the garden sorted as well. So yeah, we're here. We're going to be having a look at some of the brand new tools. Some we can talk about and show, some we've been told we can't talk about and show. But yeah, so it's going to be a pretty exciting day. I'll kind of take you around and we'll have a look at a bit of everything on show today. We did have dinner with Makita last night, which was quite interesting. There were a lot of comments made about us taking the wheelbarrow to McDonald's drive-through, which was very much a topic of discussion. Alongside us with the Makita microwave, heating up a Rustler's burger. Both of those were pretty big topics of discussion. But yeah, today is all about Makita's lawn and garden tools. And all I can say is that we're really excited to have a look. As you can see, lovely day for it. We are in the middle of nowhere. We are in the middle of nowhere, but like I said, really excited to get hands on with some of these tools. Might need to use some of the blowers to blow that fog away though, because that is looking pretty miserable. Look, obviously I'm here to look at the new tools, but I won't say no to a Makita goodie bag. Maybe I'll do a little bit of an unboxing in a bit.
On there, so we're looking at must be 3.5 kilos. With that, like I mentioned, it is 17 Newton meters. Like the UB004, there is a boost. So we've got that. Can boost the blower again, yeah?
This right here is the Makita PM001, being modelled by the lovely Dan from Makita. This is a 40 volt XGT cordless mister. This is fantastic if you're looking for the likes of spreading pesticides and things like that, but also you're getting the flexibility of cordless, and that is something that Makita are doing with their incredible 40 volt XGT platform. You are getting the power of a corded machine or a petrol machine, but with the flexibility of it being cordless. And this is one of those, Dan modelling it with it nice on his back. You're getting the nice control here. You've got the single handle on your side. You've got nice control with 3 different settings here, and you've got your nice flow here that you can adjust with 4 different settings. You've got a 15-litre tank on the back, so you are getting to get enough in there to get the job done in one go. You've got a nice tank on the back, and of course you've got housing for your battery. Of course, this also works as a blower on its own, but this all together is just a really impressive, really versatile bit of kit, and it just goes to show that you can get the job done without the need for petrol, without the need for cords. You can do it all off of Makita's incredible 40 volt XGT batteries. Check it out now in stock at its.co.uk.
Doesn't matter whose make it is, but a lot of people never see it, but they even have it on these, but the same colour. That's your felling line. So what it is where you want that tree to fall, put your chainsaw into the position and you're cutting for it falling that way. So we've now put the felling line, so you can. We've only been asking them for 20 years, so it does work. And it isn't just a felt tip neither, it is actually plastic impregnated into it.
Here are a couple of did you knows about Makita line trimmers or their brush cutters. Not only do they have a couple of versions of every single model, ranging from their 18 volt LXT through to their 40 volt or even 80 volt XGT Max. And that is because you've got the different handle, different variations. It's totally down to personal preferences. Spec wise, those tools are exactly the same, but everyone has their own different preference in terms of what's more comfortable for the jobs that they are facing. Alongside from that, an interesting thing, especially as you you move towards the higher end of Makita's line trimmers is their automatic mode. Of course, with your likes of your line trimmers, you will find different speed modes. Many of these have 1, 2, and 3, but you also have that automatic mode, which just kind of, you know, you're letting the tool do all the hard work. Depending on the terrain that it's facing, if it needs to be working in a lower speed, it will do so. If it needs to speed up, it will do that as well. That saves you from wasting any battery, from, you know, even risking damaging the tool by, you know, say you've got a nice easy bit of grass to go through, say you're then doing that on the high speed setting, you don't need to do that. That's a waste of time, waste of energy. Let the tool figure out exactly how much power needs to be used. Incredible bits of kit, fantastic technology that you can find over in the Makita Superstore at its.co.uk.
The smaller 18 volt to the 40 volt, we've got two 64 volts, and then we've got the backpack here.
We've had a look at some really impressive stuff so far. Hopefully, you know, we've got a little smattering of footage that you've seen. We checked out their impressive chainsaw range. I mean, the thing is with Makita, of course, everyone's got their 18 volt LXT batteries, and there is such an expansive range across their lawn and garden tools. Like I said, we had a look at their chainsaws. They've got loads of lawn mowers as well as brush cutters too. Also, had a look at their cordless garden multi-tools, which you know I love. They're amazing because you can just, it's one size fits all. You can get all the jobs done with just that one tool. Some really, really impressive stuff. Some new stuff as well, you know, I mean, as a, you know, I don't want to say too much about it, but maybe you just want to have a little look at that. Maybe, do you want to pan, have a little look at that? You know, I'm not going to say anything else about that, you know, I'm going to keep it all quiet. But yeah, some really impressive stuff that you were going to want to check out. But I will say, been out here for a while, I can't lie, this looks like something out of Saltburn, isn't it? What's going on with that?
Cordless 40 volt disc cutter and a new 9-inch 40 volt disc cutter. So the machine can either run off your mains water supply, hose lock connection, or you can use a water feed, suction feed. Yeah. So total cordless application.
This is the Makita HW001 40 volt XGT pressure washer. This is Makita's second fully cordless pressure washer. We did a video way back when talking about the original, but this is the upgraded. This is the one, because you'll see, first of all, Makita have addressed some of the concerns with the previous model. This is on wheels, so really easy to transport wherever you need the pressure washer to be used. But also you've got the benefit of this running off of Makita's 40 volt batteries. Because of that, you don't have to worry about plugging it into mains. You can even use it without a full-on hose water source as well. You can actually just have a bucket full of water and operate it using that. So it's perfect for cleaning your heavy machinery. If you're out on the job site, you're not exactly going to be bringing your excavator into the garden, are you? You're not going to be doing that. You need this out on the site to get it nice and clean. So with that, with the beauty of Makita's 40 volt XGT batteries, you are getting that flexibility. Take it absolutely anywhere. And you also, with the previous model, of course, running off the 18 volt LXT batteries, it was running off 2 of those. You're now seeing a bit of an increase in power as well. And you'll notice on the front, you have 3 water pressure settings on here with 30, 55 and 85 bar. So you are going to be able to maximize the most out of this tool, maximize the most out of the 40 volt XGT batteries with Makita's second fully cordless pressure washer. This is the HW001, and you can get it now at its.co.uk.
And I do a lot of demonstrations, and I love nothing more than someone saying, can I have a demo of it side by side with what we've already got? All day long, I'm so confident on the product. Any of our machines, I'll go use them side by side and tell me what you prefer. 99% of the time, they prefer the blue machines. And they go, oh, we didn't know you did garden machinery. We didn't think it was going to be like that. We didn't think it was going to be a good quality product. People think drills and radios in their head rather than actual garden machinery that we have.
Now, we've talked a little bit about this before, but it is definitely worth checking out, especially around this time of year, and that is Makita's garden multi-tools. fantastic bits of kit if you are covering a wide range of applications in the garden. I mean, they have got accessories for everything, and it is one size fits all. They do have a 40 volt and a twin 18 volt multi-tool depending on what battery platform you're with, but you're getting that flexibility. You've got the likes of your pruning saws, you've got hedge trimmers, you've even got sweepers if you're getting up dirt, and line trimmers, and so much more. And all of it can run off of that one motor at the start, and then you've got those attachments that you can swap in and out, freewheel of course, getting all of the different jobs done in the garden. Makita have got an incredible range of accessories and a couple of different multi-tool bodies to check out, and you can find all of it in the Makita Superstore over at its.co.uk. That is your home of everything Makita.
What are you thinking of Makita so far?
Some really good stuff, you know. I think the new chainsaws are looking particularly impressive. You know, especially with that fast starting, you know, you're reducing that by a second, making it very, very easy when, you know, the likes of Sneddon, so that's pretty impressive. I'm also liking the stuff with the multi-tools, very big fan. I'm sure you'll see more and more multi-tool content coming soon. They're split sharp, you know, especially with the amount of attachments that Makita have got. Really impressive stuff, to be fair. At the same time, I can't lie, it's quite nice to now be indoors, because it's pretty cold outside.
So this is our 18 volt hedge trimmers. There's over 15 of these across the range. We have a brushed machine to brushless. So on a 6 amp hour battery, you're getting 77 minutes out of this wheel, 75 out of these two. The reason these two are less is because brushless machine, they're running at a higher RPM. So these are running at 4,000, this is running at 2,700.
Again, I'm not really doing anything. It's not me twisting my arm, that's the machine doing that.
A bit cheeky, mate.
Look, I don't want to step on any toes here. You know, that's why I'm wearing steel toe caps, so you know you can't step on my toes. But look, okay, we were told specifically we've got a new chainsaw coming out. Don't film it. So what we've done is we filmed it, okay? Because you lot need to see this. It's a really impressive bit of kit, and you know I want to make sure that you guys are getting the most out of this vlog, most out of these videos. So we've gone ahead and done a little showcase on it because it's worth it. It's fantastic. You lot are gonna love it. We love it, and we're very excited to have it in stock coming soon. So you'll just have to stay tuned. We don't even know the model number yet.
Should we get out of it before we get caught?
But yeah, I am gonna get caught. So, and also it's a bit cold, isn't it?
Just stopped off at a service station. Got this little plaque on the wall, Platinum Loo of the Year Awards 2023. I'll be honest, pretty overrated. It's fine. It's a fine toilet. Platinum award. I mean, I might get one of those for my house, to be honest.
Dan is a man of many talents. Oh.
So, just got home from the Makita event, and I still haven't opened my Makita goodie bag, so I feel like now's probably a right time to do so. See here, nice XGT 40 volt design on the bag. Now, the box is cool enough. I'm assuming there's something inside. Yeah, a wireless fast charger with Makita LXT and XGT branding. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Get a little look at that. Oh, I knew what this one was. We've given enough of these away. Look at this. Nice stainless steel Makita bottle there. Woo-hoo. It's got some nice little goodies there, but really, the goodie was getting my hands on some incredible new up and coming Makita garden tools. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little vlog. We have some more filming days and more event days coming up soon, so we'll have some more vlogs for you to check out. Of course, you can check everything Makita out in the Makita Superstore over at its.co.uk.